हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज विकास गोयल फ्रॉम लूसिड पॉइंट। आज की इस वीडियो में जानेंगे वेक्टर्स को इन डिटेल विद द हेल्प ऑफ वेरी लूसिड एग्जांपल्स और जानेंगे कि कैसे वेक्टर्स हेल्पफुल है टू सॉल्व न्यूमेरिकल्स और वहां पर जो जो परेशानियां आपको आती हैं, जनरली आती हैं, हम उसको फिगर आउट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को। और यहाँ पर मैंने एक ग्राफ बनाया हुआ आप देख सकते हैं। दिस इज दी ओरिजिन। इसको थोड़ा सा मैं लाइट कर लेता हूं, ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा डार्क है। तो हम लोग यहां से एक पेंसिल ले लेते हैं और ये बहुत ज्यादा डार्कनेस की तरफ गया हुआ है। और यस, सो ओके, let's see this one. So this is the origin, and let's say these are the points 1, this is 2, this is 3, let's say this is 4, and it will continue obviously. And here it is -1, it is -2, it is -3, and like -4. Similarly, this is like positive x axis, this is नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस। तो यहां पर एक तो बहुत बेसिक सी बात है कि जब हम लेफ्ट की तरफ जाते हैं, लाइक दिस इज वी आर गोइंग व्हेन लेफ्ट, सो नंबर्स आर डिक्रीजिंग, numbers are numbers are decreasing, whereas whenever we move on the right hand side, so numbers are increasing, numbers are increasing. So that's how it works. And it is not only about कि origin से आप right में होंगे तभी आप positive जा रहे हैं. If you compare, like it's a very simple mathematics, if you compare -3 and -2, so -2 is greater than -3, you all know, right? So that means if I move from -3 to -2 in this direction, so that means I'm going into the positive direction. So here we consider direction. Direction is the first fundamental property of any vector quantity, because all the vector quantities are dependent on direction. They give you direction where the particular movement is happening, whatever, like there is some movement, there is some direction. That means, so direction is very important. So with the help of the graph theory, with the help of simple graph, I'll try to explore fundamental problems जो बहुत basic level की problem है. I'll try to solve those problems and I'll make you understand that. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो मान लेते हैं कि अभी एक हमारा कार्टून कैरेक्टर जो जनरली हम लेते हैं, पोगो, who is at point A and वो point A से point B पर मूव करता है, this point B, right? So what will be the distance traveled by Pogo from A to B? So I am writing here distance traveled by Pogo. So it's so simple, from 1 to 3. That means, because 3 means here, but कि जब भी हम इसको मेजर करेंगे, we'll measure from the origin. So this is 3 units. 3 units. The final destination is B. 3 units minus. Earlier he was at A, so it was a distance of 1 unit, because we do not know here it is in kilometer, meter, or miles or centimeter. So it will be 3 units minus 1 unit. That will be 2 units. 2 units, or you can say the distance traveled by Pogo AB is 2 units. So this is the distance traveled, but here I am talking about vectors. So if I continue with the vector, that means the first very basic and very important terminology or term here is displacement. So displacement by pogo. It will be same as, because here pogo is traveling pogo is traveling in a straight line, so he is going from A to B. So the displacement will be same, it will be same 3 units minus 1 unit, and it will come out to be 2 units, and we will write AB and there is a sign of vector. Now the confusion here with some students is that why we put this arrow sign. What is the meaning, what is the meaning what is the meaning of this arrow? क्या meaning है इसका? So the meaning is very much clear. That means you are moving. If I write down again here AB and this is the arrow, so this arrow is basically telling you that you are moving from A to B. If I write this BA, so the meaning of BA, displacement BA, will be that you are going from B to A. So that means these two will become the initial positions in two different cases. These are initial position, and these two will become the final position, final position. Okay, so this is the basic difference why we put arrow on any vector quantity. This makes the initial and final position. But in the case of distance, like here we determine AB. If I write it is BA is 2 units, that will not make any difference, because here the initial and final position are not important, but the path traveled, the actual path traveled, that is more important, actual path traveled. So that is all about the distance. Do not consider the importance of direction. There is no direction given, and neither we are considering here. We do not have the opportunity to discuss the direction part in the distance, but the distance is a scalar quantity, so direction is not important there. So I hope यहाँ पे आपको displacement के बारे में